Hey guys, Brett Bowers with MarineMax Pompano Beach. Want to give you a quick walkthrough tour of this 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Big day boat, super popular down here in South Florida. On the back, we've got the new V8 Mercury. This is a 300, naturally aspirated, really quiet, a lot of torque. Huge sun pad on the back with tons of storage underneath. Great for taking a lot of people out on this boat. Moving up into the cockpit, there's some nice cooler built in here. Great for throwing flip-flops, things like that. Little step for easy boarding when the tide is low as well, real nice. You can see all the space inside, great for putting a ton of people on this boat. It is yacht rated, so you can bring as many people as you have life jackets and feel comfortable with. You'll also see the boat has these reversing seat backs here, which really open up the space. Looking up at the helm here, big 12-inch digital dash by Simrad on this boat, which is the biggest option you can get. All touchscreen, really easy to use. We've also got trim tabs, full digital throttle and shift from Mercury on this boat as well. On the port side of the boat, you do have a full head. This head has the premium upgrade. It also has the vacuum flush toilet, full porcelain toilet with flushing capability. Really nice to have on a boat. Coming up front, the bow is great, traditional center walkthrough, lots of storage. These are actually two large draining bins, great for cooler space. You can fit a ton of drinks and snacks up here. Plenty of adults can sit up here easily. Another great feature on this boat is a full windlass system with an anchor. Really nice when you get into a boat this size to be able to go out to the sandbar and not have to fiddle around with the anchor yourself. Again, 2020 Sea Ray SDX in black with a stone gray interior and a black top. Full tower. Come see us. Give us a call, 408-307-6614. Thanks, guys.